But first,
we need to welcome our
100 subscriber video.
Thanks.
This one.
Yeah.
Good luck. Let's say start. Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic. Okay,
Yes.
I think today's video it's a giveaway.
We're picking a winner
We are picking a winner. Already packed.
for
Ready.
400 subscribers. Giveaway.
Yes, for 400. There it is there inside, ready to be shipped.
Waiting for the address.
Waiting for an address. As you can see, nothing at the back.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get straight to it.
But first, we need to welcome our
Oh yes, but first we
Friends
need
back.
to welcome our friends back.
Yes.
Bucks Nation.
Yes.
Everybody knows Bucks Nation.
And
Piffs.
Yes.
I'm so happy those two are back.
Yes, we miss them.
And Piff, Pittsburgh fractional stacker.
Yes.
We like to call him Piffs. He likes to be called Piffs as well. Okay, we like to welcome them back.
Yes.
they're
Or
back.
check their channels.
Or check their channels
Subscribe.
out. If you're not subscribed, subscribe because their content is amazing.
Yes, that's true.
Okay,
Entertaining.
very entertaining. Bucks Nation and Piffs.
Yes.
Okay.
So leave the link in the description.
Below.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's get to the a thing that everybody is waiting for.
Yeah.
Random
It's
picker.
ready.
Yeah, we'll use this random picker. It is
The normal one.
yeah, that everybody uses.
Yes.
Let's just be normal. Yes. Okay, let's go to the video.
400 subscribers.
The 400 subscriber video. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the video.
Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Do you want to earn more
That
views,
should
more
not,
subscribers, more watch time, and of course, make more money?
Intimidate anyone. We are not
We're not monetized.
We are not monetized.
It's one of YouTube's
Yeah,
thing now.
it's YouTube exploiting us.
You know.
You know how they are with this new law. Okay,
Yeah.
all right, let's get the
Let's
thing.
just skip the ad.
Yeah,
Oh,
we just copy,
and we go there,
go to random,
paste,
and then we paste
put
the
at
address.
everyone.
Filter duplicate. That's the only thing we'll tick this time. And then we'll say get YouTube comments.
Yep.
Not familiar with this. I don't know why, because we did it last time. So
Yeah.
they are unique 63.
63.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
Good
Let's
luck. Good
see.
luck. Let's say start. Kason
Hey.
2006.
These days, it's your lucky
I
days.
think it's his lucky
I
day
think
these
he-
days. I think he won on one. Where?
Sports.
Coin
I
Sports.
think it's Coin Sports.
Yes, he won on Coin Sports. We saw a
Yes.
video recently. I think, my friend, you are in luck these days.
Yeah.
Luck is in your side.
That's true.
You also won on our channel. Okay,
Yes, yeah.
you will be there. You'll be at 400 subscribers very soon. Good luck, everyone. I wished you all luck as well. So yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
we're gonna wait for your address.
Yeah, we
Email
will.
us.
We will wait for your address. Please email us. We are so happy you won.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, comments we know is subscribed and
Yeah.
everything. Okay.
Yes.
We'll assume again, but no, this time we're
No
not checking
drama.
anymore. We're not checking. We know. We know.
Yes.
We know. Subscribe.
Yes.
So yeah,
Good
you
luck.
won.
We're waiting
Congratulations, my friend.
for your,
Okay. All right. I think pretty soon
we
we will have, I don't know, bit of both, a 600
gonna
giveaway. We will see, but
Yeah.
we will announce it if we're going for a 600
600.
giveaway.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
Congrats, Kason 2006. I think maybe the channel created it in 2006.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, long time. Okay, all right.
Yes.
I'd like to thank our subscriber because we wouldn't have reached 400 without them.
Without them, yes.
We
yes.
really wouldn't
Thank
have.
you so much for your support.
Thank you so much for your
Encouragement.
support, yeah, and encouragement and everything, guys. We really appreciate
That's
your
true.
support and your comments and your subscribers,
Helping
because
us.
it really helps a lot. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Carry
Okay.
on and do it with other channels.
With the other channels,
Yes.
okay.
Thank you.
Welcome again, Piffs and
Bats Nation.
Bucks Nation. Bucks
Yes.
Nation like soccer. Okay. Yeah. Welcome, guys.
Oh, yes.
We really missed you. We really,
Yes.
really did miss you all on our
the
community.
community.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Bye.